Picture window installation in Gilbert, Arizona, offers homeowners a stunning way to enhance their views and increase natural light. With a variety of window frame materials available, residents can choose the perfect fit for their home's aesthetic and functional needs. Custom window designs in Gilbert, Arizona, allow for personalized touches that reflect individual style preferences. Picture windows Gilbert provide an excellent option for homeowners seeking expansive, unobstructed views. Energy-efficient windows in Gilbert are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows provide excellent insulation benefits, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows in Gilbert further enhance energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer and noise pollution. Picture windows Gilbert also contribute to energy efficiency by maximizing natural light while minimizing heat loss. Window replacement services in Gilbert, Arizona, offer comprehensive solutions for outdated or damaged windows. From window measurement services to the final installation process, experts ensure a seamless transition to new, high-quality windows. Window repair experts in Gilbert, Arizona, are also available for those needing minor fixes or maintenance. Picture windows Gilbert can be an ideal replacement choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their window aesthetics and functionality. Home window upgrades in Gilbert can significantly boost property value and curb appeal. With a wide range of window glass options, homeowners can select the best fit for their needs, whether it's for privacy, UV protection, or aesthetic purposes. Window tinting options in Gilbert provide additional benefits, such as glare reduction and enhanced privacy. Picture windows Gilbert enhance home value by offering a sleek and modern look with expansive glass panels. Window style consultation in Gilbert, Arizona, helps homeowners choose the best designs to complement their home's architecture. With the latest window design trends, residents can stay updated on modern styles and innovative features. Window hardware selection in Gilbert, Arizona, ensures that every detail, from handles to locks, matches the overall design. Picture windows Gilbert offer a timeless design that complements both contemporary and traditional home styles. Window maintenance tips in Gilbert are essential for prolonging the lifespan of windows and maintaining their appearance. Regular cleaning services in Gilbert, Arizona, help keep windows spotless and functioning optimally. Window sealing techniques in Gilbert, Arizona, are crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Picture windows Gilbert require minimal maintenance while providing maximum aesthetic appeal and functionality. Window insulation benefits in Gilbert are a key consideration for homeowners looking to enhance comfort and reduce energy bills. Proper insulation can also contribute to window noise reduction, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Window durability factors in Gilbert, Arizona, ensure that windows withstand the local climate and last for years. Picture windows Gilbert offer excellent insulation when paired with energy-efficient glass options. Window safety features in Gilbert are important for protecting families and homes. From child-proof locks to impact-resistant glass, there are numerous options to enhance security. Window warranty information in Gilbert provides peace of mind, ensuring that investments are protected against defects and issues. Picture windows Gilbert can be customized with safety features such as reinforced glass and secure locking systems. Window cost estimates in Gilbert help homeowners budget for their projects, providing transparency and clarity. The window installation process in Gilbert, Arizona, is streamlined and efficient, with professionals handling every step from start to finish. Window design trends in Gilbert, Arizona, continue to evolve, offering fresh ideas and inspiration for home improvements. Picture windows Gilbert are a cost-effective way to bring elegance and natural light into any home. Residential window solutions in Gilbert cater to a variety of needs, from aesthetic upgrades to functional improvements. With expert guidance, homeowners can achieve the perfect balance of style, efficiency, and durability. Window frame materials in Gilbert, Arizona, offer diverse options, from traditional wood to modern vinyl and aluminum. Picture windows Gilbert are available in various frame materials to match different architectural styles. For residents seeking top-notch window replacement services in Gilbert, Arizona, our company offers a comprehensive range of solutions tailored to meet your needs. From picture window installation Gilbert, Arizona to custom window designs Gilbert, Arizona, we ensure that every project is executed with precision and care. Our window repair experts Gilbert, Arizona are dedicated to providing exceptional service, ensuring your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Picture windows Gilbert are a great option for those looking to upgrade their home with elegant, expansive views. Energy-efficient windows Gilbert are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows Gilbert provides superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. With our window insulation benefits Gilbert, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home while reducing your carbon footprint. Picture windows Gilbert contribute to energy savings by maximizing daylight and reducing reliance on artificial lighting. Custom window designs Gilbert, Arizona allow you to express your personal style while enhancing your home's curb appeal. Our window style consultation Gilbert, Arizona services help you choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Whether you're interested in modern or traditional styles, our residential window solutions Gilbert are designed to meet your unique preferences. Picture windows Gilbert add a touch of sophistication to any home design. Window frame materials Gilbert, Arizona play a crucial role in the durability and performance of your windows. We offer a variety of options, including vinyl, wood, and aluminum, each with its own set of benefits. Our window durability factors Gilbert, Arizona ensure that your windows withstand the test of time, providing long-lasting value for your investment. Picture windows Gilbert are available in durable materials that enhance both longevity and style. For those interested in window maintenance tips Gilbert, our experts provide valuable advice to keep your windows in top condition. Regular maintenance, including window cleaning services Gilbert, Arizona and window sealing techniques Gilbert, Arizona, can extend the life of your windows and improve their performance. Our window cleaning services Gilbert, Arizona ensure your windows remain spotless and clear, enhancing your view and home aesthetics. Picture windows Gilbert are easy to maintain and provide a lasting impact on home design. Window noise reduction Gilbert is an essential consideration for homeowners in busy areas. Our advanced window glass options Gilbert, Arizona are designed to minimize outside noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. With our window noise reduction Gilbert solutions, you can enjoy a quieter, more serene home. Picture windows Gilbert can be equipped with noise-reducing glass to enhance indoor comfort. The window installation process Gilbert, Arizona is streamlined to ensure minimal disruption to your daily routine. Our team of professionals handles every aspect, from window measurement services Gilbert to final installation, with meticulous attention to detail. We provide window cost estimates Gilbert to help you plan your budget effectively, ensuring transparency and satisfaction. Picture windows Gilbert are installed with expert precision for a flawless finish. Window safety features Gilbert are a priority for families looking to enhance home security. Our selection includes advanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass, providing peace of mind. Additionally, our window hardware selection Gilbert, Arizona offers a variety of options to suit your security needs. Picture windows Gilbert can be customized with additional safety features for added protection. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest window design trends Gilbert, Arizona. Our experts keep you informed about the newest styles and innovations in the industry. With our window design trends Gilbert, Arizona, you can ensure your home remains stylish and up to date. Picture windows Gilbert are a timeless choice that aligns with contemporary and classic home designs. Understanding window warranty information Gilbert is crucial for protecting your investment. We offer comprehensive warranties that cover various aspects of your windows, providing assurance and peace of mind. Our window warranty information Gilbert ensures you are fully informed about the coverage and benefits available. Picture windows Gilbert come with warranty options to safeguard your investment for years to come.